Today, I'll show you how to draw a rectangle and then turn it into a smooth, rounded corner shape. This tutorial is perfect if you're working in a typical design or layout program and want clean, consistent shapes that are easy to adjust later. We'll start with a basic rectangle, then customize its corners so it looks more polished and modern. First, let's create the rectangle itself. Look over to your interface and find the Tools panel, usually located along the left side of the screen. In that panel, locate the Rectangle tool. Its icon is typically a simple rectangle shape. If you don't see it right away, it might be grouped with other shape tools like the Ellipse tool or Polygon tool. In that case, click and hold on the visible shape tool icon until the extra tools appear, then choose the rectangle tool from that small menu. Once the rectangle tool is active, move your cursor over to the page or artboard where you want the rectangle to appear. Click and drag to draw the shape. As you drag, you'll see the rectangle form in real time. When it looks close to the size you want, release the mouse. You now have a basic rectangle on your page. If you need a perfectly horizontal and vertical rectangle, you can drag carefully while watching the on-screen guides, or use modifier keys your software supports, like holding Shift to constrain proportions. If the rectangle isn't quite right, don't worry. You can resize it later with the selection tool by dragging its handles. Now that your rectangle is in place, let's round the corners. First, make sure the rectangle is selected. If it's not, switch to the selection tool, then click directly on the rectangle. You should see selection handles appear around it, confirming it's active. Next, go up to the top menu bar and open the Object menu. From there, look for an option called Corner Options or something very similar and click it. This will open a dialog box that controls how the corners of your rectangle behave. Inside the dialog box, you'll see a setting for corner type. Choose Rounded as the corner type. This tells the program you want smooth curved corners instead of sharp, right-angled ones or other corner styles. Below that, you'll see a field for the radius value. This number determines how curved the corners are. A small radius will give you gently rounded corners, while a larger radius will create more pronounced curves, possibly making the rectangle look almost like a capsule or pill shape. Type in a value or use the small arrows next to the field to increase or decrease the radius until you get the look you want. Many programs show a live preview, so keep an eye on your rectangle as you adjust this. Once you're happy with the corner type and radius, click OK to apply the changes. Your rectangle now has rounded corners and you can still reposition or resize it as needed. If you ever want to tweak the corners again, just select the rectangle and revisit the same corner options dialog. That's all you need to draw a rectangle and round its corners in a clean, controlled way. With this technique, you can quickly create buttons, cards, labels, or any modern UI style elements that